shall we begin?
Okay, so morning, or hello, afternoon, whatever. So the car darts to the right when you're doing between 100 120 kilometers an hour, and you hit a dip in the highway. The car will dart to the right. So I've got some 034 MotorSport End Links. I'm going to put in. Here's the part number if anybody is in need, 2000 Audi A4. I also have a new speed sway bar, but I'm not going to put that in just yet. I'm going to put these end links in and see if that makes a difference. And if it does or doesn't, later on down the road, I'll put the sway bar in and I'll do a video about that. Here goes. So in the package, they give you the sway bar links, and you also get the hardware. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to open one up and just take a look to see, fit it together and just make sure before I start pulling everything apart. I thought it would have been stiffer, to be honest with you. Alright. I've never used these before, so see how it goes. Okay. Oh yeah, the OE is toasted. You can see the rubbers come apart here on this side. I don't know if you can see it's separated here. Yeah, it's time to change. Okay. That was the bottom. So it's like this. So is it side specific? 402-4017. Okay. I'm gonna say it doesn't have a particular side. Three washers for two sides. That doesn't seem like it makes sense.
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Is that all you got?
Let's begin now.
One side down. Alright, let me show you what it looks like. Okay. So, this side I have not done yet. Right? This is the side that I just did. We'll see how that works. I think the CV boot is leaking. I see grease everywhere. That's another job. Never ends. Ow. Frick. Pinched myself. Oh wow. Yeah, this one is finished. Well, I hope this solves the problem that I'm having. Weird package. Send me two extra bolts. One washer shy. Oh man. Oh crap, I think I did the other one on the outside. I always wonder how those YouTubers film. It's so hard to get good angles to show you guys what is being done. So here in Ontario, it's about 41, 42 degrees Celsius. So that's like, what, 90, 100 degrees for you guys in the States? I'll have to look that up. Something like that. It's hot. Thank God I'm in the shade. Sometimes I let it go, lock on something, and all I have to do is focus on tightening this, Keeping it straight. If you want to sponsor the videos of 34 Motorsports, let me know.